Hello, my name's Vlad. I'm doing my A levels here at Cherwell College. I found the college because I had to transfer in the middle of year 13, and I found it on my own on the internet. And here at Cherwell College, it works on a one-on-one tutorial basis, and there are also smaller classes of smaller students. You're offered a lot of different opportunities. For example, during the Hillary term, we got to take part in the Atom Festival, and I got to attend lectures by Brian Cox and Frank Close, and was even presented with one of Frank Close's signed books, which was pretty cool. I would now like to invite you on our journey into the galaxy with our astrophysicist Gerard, who also holds degrees in both physics and philosophy.
Well, if we assume that there are many alien civilizations out there at present, there are various reasons why they might not want to communicate with us. They think we're too primitive, if they know about us. Perhaps they want to let us develop in our own way. Perhaps they think we're not worth considering at all, and we'll probably disappear quite soon due to our own stupidity. Perhaps they're afraid of us. Perhaps it's a policy that they don't contact other civilizations because of danger. You might think this is a bit odd, but if you look at the recent history in the past few thousand years of the Earth, you might see why they have a point. Civilizations in contact with each other hasn't always been positive, especially if there's a power imbalance. This is assuming that there are vast numbers of them out there, and that they actually can communicate with us. It's not so easy. Technological limitations may mean that they can't communicate with us. We've been sending radio signals out into the universe for over a century now. So that would mean that civilizations within 100 or so light years of us could possibly have picked some of it up. But the energy involved is absolutely tiny. It'd be really very difficult to pick up such signals. However, perhaps their technology could. Now, another possibility is that there have been and will be vast numbers of civilizations in the galaxy, but they have a limited lifespan. Some people have talked about a sort of bottleneck when civilization developed nuclear energy like we have. There's always a possibility that they sort of blow up the planet before they can have got off and gone somewhere else. And perhaps civilizations arise and disasters get rid of them. We certainly know that we've had asteroid impacts on the Earth which have vastly changed the animal life and plant life that live here. And indeed, 65 million years ago, if we'd been a civilization, well, after the event that did away with the dinosaurs, we certainly wouldn't have been. We'd have gone. So, there may be vast numbers of civilizations, but just not all existing now. The other thing to remember is that the galaxy is absolutely enormous. The distances between civilizations might be extraordinarily large. So as you can see, there are many possible solutions to the Fermi Paradox.